Previously on J&A Garage.
This is how we're going to be transporting the exhaust today. It's going to be, you know...
It's a cyber truck, man.
So yeah, alright, let's get going. She's going to be loud. Hey guys. Alright, so we couldn't do the exhaust today because the guy was busy and it was pretty much closing time, but instead I'm just gonna be started painting the wing, or I don't know, I'm just gonna call it wing because it's easier to say it that way. I kind of already started, hung this up and then started spraying a little bit just for the first coat, and yeah, I guess a quick time lapse on that. And also for some reason the trunk won't close again, so I'm working on that again. For some reason I don't know why it stopped closing. But yeah, don't know. But yeah, I'll fix that at some point later, or while I'm doing, or while I'm waiting for other coats of this. So yeah, all right, time lapse.
Please take some time to like, comment, and subscribe.
All right, guys. So yesterday we couldn't get the exhaust done because he didn't have the parts for it. The bung, and also he was about to close, so we're gonna go today. It's now morning the next day, so yeah, all right, let's get going. Let's go. We're gonna also bring 2 cars this time, just so, because we're gonna be dropping it off. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so we're here at Flanagan's Muffler Shop, and we already dropped off the muffler yesterday, and here's here's just a clip of it revving for the stop.
I got you.
Oh, it's pretty big.
So,
They go for the stop. Alright. Again. Alright guys, so it's 2 days before the meet right now, and the reveal of the Miata, and there was still so much to do. Well, for starters, my front lip got destroyed, so we're now going to be expanding foam and then using fiberglass to fix that again, because it was made up by fiberglass and got to paint it again. And also, I really messed up on painting it. It's all just little, I don't know, texturized stuff right there. And also, there's some runs on the actual wing. I don't exactly know if we're gonna actually fix that yet or not, but the main thing, what we have to do is to paint the Miata wheels. And also the Miata has to be detailed, because all of these random things, all the primer everywhere, and also just everything. So yeah, we gotta go fix all of that stuff. So yeah, we have one more day, because it is already 12 o'clock. Well, technically, yeah, literally one more day. It's already 12 o'clock. And then actually Sunday morning, we're going to be taking pictures at 8 o'clock. So yeah, we do not have time. So wish us luck. This is going to be a lot of work. But yeah. All right. Back to the time lapse. Every 10 seconds is an hour, by the way. So yeah, I'll see how far we get. Alright guys, so it is now 4 o'clock, and I just got done sanding and prepping everything. But yeah, I just finished everything, well, finished prepping. And now for the second part, which is painting it. Yay! Oh, it's 3 o'clock. Yeah. But yeah, hopefully it'll be done in the next hour or two, maybe, because I'm still gonna wake up for cars and airplanes tomorrow. But yeah, let's go. Oh yeah, so I did the brake calipers too. I'm gonna do that. So I prepped them already too. But yeah, all right, let's get to it.
Literally stayed up all night.
Day 2.
Also day 2 of staying up all night to finish it.
Alright guys, so we just got done drilling the holes for the spoiler. And yeah, it is like 3 o'clock in the morning. And the meet's in like less than 12 hours. But yeah, always start with a small, or make sure to measure everything, and also put tape on here for like blue tape before you drill holes so that you don't damage the paint. And yeah, just start with small drill, and then get bigger and bigger, and then just use the step drill to do all that. And then for like the back part over here, we need to like fabricate a little hole so we can actually bolt it down. So yeah, we just use the really long extended drill to go through all the way, then use the step drill to make a bigger hole on both sides. So yeah, we can actually put both things on there. And that is how you put a Cobalt SS spoiler / wing on a Miata. Yeah. All right. Also during the process, I kind of broke this. Like I pushed it too hard and it fell inside, and we had to go drill a big hole into it to get it out, and then fish it through. But yeah, we need to do that. But before we actually put it back on there, I want to repaint this wing and then actually put clear coat on it, because it is not like the same color. So I'm gonna take this back off, and then y'all will just see how it looks in the morning. Alrighty.
Oh look, sunrise again.
Six hours till the meet starts.
While Gian finishes things up, Ashley went to take pics for our first merch drop. Check out our merch at jnagarage.com.
Time to put it all together. And she's all done.
What is up, YouTube? Alright, the car is done. I'm driving right now, and we're on the way to our first official meet. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. It's gonna be great. Alright, see you there.
Thank you to everyone who supported us with our first meet.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe so we know to make more content.
Check out the meat pics on our Instagram and Facebook at jna.garage.
That's all, folks.